Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to replace the sky in your video on InShot application. Okay, first of all, let's just create a project on our InShot application. Tap on a new and we're going to import the video that you want to replace the sky of. And I'm going to go with this video so we can import the video to our InShot project. And I'm going to adjust the canvas first. Wait guys. Okay, and if you want to replace the sky, you can tap on this PIP and you're going to add the video that you want to use or that you want to apply to your sky in your video. And wait guys, I'm going to add this video. Okay, and click on this autofill button to get the full screen or to fit in. Alright, and we're going to use the mask. Tap on this mask option and tap on this type of the mask or the shape of the mask, this one. Okay, and here we can drag the mask to adjust the position. You can long press on this icon like this. Okay, and I'm going to drag this line as well. You can make it as natural as it could be. Okay, and to make it more natural, I'm going to blend the video. We can tap on the blend option. Okay, and I'm going to select this one. And after we're done, we can click on this check mark button. And I'm going to show you the final result. Okay, as you can see that now the sky in this video has been changed or has been replaced. Alright guys, and that's how we can replace the sky in our video on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.